Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in San Jose. Now, Alia, when we look at San Jose, the different neighborhoods, most of them were built in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. This is a fairly new neighborhood built in around 1998. And you lived here for 15 years, right?
Yes, absolutely. It's a phenomenal neighborhood. And
Right.
School down the street, there's
Yeah.
a phenomenal park. You're surrounded by nothing but hills, and this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's spectacular.
Beautiful. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 636 Chelsea Crossing, a stunning northeast-facing home with a spacious open floor plan in the highly desirable Basking Ridge area close to Evergreen and Silver Creek. Experience scenic views with nothing but rolling hills and open space in the front of the home. It's fully renovated with soaring ceilings in the living room, hardwood floors, and crown molding throughout. The separate family room is perfect with an upgraded marble fireplace. The home has designer two-tone paint, a built-in bar, an upgraded gourmet kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, and a large island with a breakfast bar. The 5th bedroom downstairs is perfect for extended family. All the bathrooms have been modernized, complete with custom finishes. The master retreat comes complete with high ceilings, spa bath, a standalone shower, and custom tile floors. Enjoy energy efficiency with fully paid solar panels. The low-maintenance backyard is nicely landscaped with beautiful gardens, a pergola, and stamped concrete. Located in a great neighborhood, just minutes from Highway 101, 85, with access to upscale shopping, restaurants, and Silicon Valley high-tech companies. Enjoy nearby hiking trails, parks, and walk to the top-rated Rita Ledesma Elementary School. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property. Hope to see you at our mega open house. We're gonna have live jazz music, food, and drinks. And if you're ever thinking about buying or selling in the Bay Area, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.